time to cause it. You shouldn't force it. I wouldn't really endorse it. Maybe you lost it. It took a lifetime to get free. Please don't forget me. You were the creature I set free. Please don't infect me, 'cause I up and down and around again on them yonder hills, the hills in the sky. 'Cause I think a little river woman rolling along, and I'm singing a song even though it's wrong. Please don't forget